to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing teriyaki chicken parcels. Really easy and really economical to do. Look, let's just get on with it. Alright, we need some teriyaki sauce. You can buy pre-bought if you want to, but I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. Third of a cup's worth of caster sugar. Right, we're going to use a third of a cup's worth of a soy sauce. I only use a good quality one. Alright, not the some of the cheaper stuff. I'll buy the naturally brewed anytime. Right, that can go straight into a pan as well. Right, just like that. And the recipe for making a teriyaki sauce is really simple. A third of a cup of sake, or a cooking sake, which you can just buy from your local supermarket. Right, just like that. And there's only one more ingredient required for this particular sauce, and that is going to be a third of a cup's worth of mirin. Right, that sweet mirin. That can all go straight in. Right, let's get a little bit of heat happening on that. We're going to go on a nice low heat, and all we have to do is just cook that through, give it a stir from time to time until the sugar dissolves. The alcohol will burn off, but retain its flavour, and before you know it, you've already got your own teriyaki sauce slash marinade. Alright, so we need some bits of chicken, and the packet of chicken that we bought from Costco was a little bit haphazard and a little bit mismatched, but don't worry, it's going to work for this particular dish. Right, one chicken breast, we're going to slice that in half, put that straight into our marinade just like that, and I'm going to try and make the best of what I have with those other little pieces. So we're going to put those pieces all into the marinade, and I'm going to let those sit for at least half an hour. I had to leave these sit for about 2 hours. Mrs. KP was out and about doing some shopping, so I could get the rest of my ingredients. And what happened next was really interesting. Right, some Filo pastry. We're going to give that a little bit of spray oilage over the top. We're going to use 3 sheets in total, and if you want to go more, you can, but 3 seems to be the Goldilocks number. Right, not too much, not too little. Right, so we're just going to give that another bit of a spray down, just like that, and we're going to add in our last sheet of Filo pastry. And I've been buying the sort of fresh-ish Filo pastry lately. Just seems to be a little bit nicer. Now, I've got some white rice. This is white jasmine microwave rice. Okay, it's pretty much already cooked, and all you need to do is get that a little bit of heatage and it will be done. So we're going to put that down a little bit in, and we're going to start adding in our chicken. Now what happened to the chicken is it actually ended up being cured. Right, with the salt, the wine and the sugar, it ended up being cured. So really interesting concept. So don't leave it too long like I did. Right, we're going to give that a bit of a roll, a little bit of a fold in on the sides, just like that, and just roll that through. And this particular teriyaki was absolutely amazing. I thought by the way it ended up being cured, it'd be dried out. No, it's absolutely juicy. So just keep repeating that process. 3 sheets of Filo pastry, right, just like that. Little bit of rice, little bit of chicken, rolly, foldy, spray, rolly again. They're all done. We've ended up making 5 of these little fellas out of 2 chicken breasts, or what we thought was 2 chicken breasts. We're going to go in the oven, 180 degrees, and that's going to sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now all that marinade that we just had, I'm not going to waste that. That's all goodness and great flavour. I'm going to put that back onto the heat in a saucepan, and I'm going to bring that up to a boil and make sure we get rid of any impurities, and I can use that later as a nice little dipping sauce. Right, sort of 35-40 minutes ish have gone by, and our little beautiful parcels are done. I'm going to serve that up on a plate just like that. Okay, and I'm going to give you a cross-section view of how these are, and these turn out beautifully crunchy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. And the rice, believe it or not, absolutely works. Okay, I'm going to serve that up with a little bit of a rocket salad, a bit of rocket, and a little bit of a creamy type dressing, and make sure you get some on the bench, otherwise you're not doing it right. And there you go, you got KP's Teriyaki Chicken Parcels. Obviously try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something a little bit different, a little bit unique, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my teriyaki chicken parcels, and I will catch you next time. Bye.